Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is the 9th of September 2024. As always, we're here to bring you the latest and most intriguing updates from the world of technology, artificial intelligence, and automotive innovation. Remember, you can find links to all the stories we discussed today in the episode notes. Let's kick things off with some exciting news from the world of autonomous vehicles. Tesla has announced a significant update to its full self-driving software. This update promises to enhance the vehicle's ability to navigate complex urban environments, making it a step closer to achieving true autonomy. The update includes improvements in object detection and decision-making algorithms, which are crucial for safe and efficient driving in city settings. In other Tesla news, the company has unveiled a new battery technology that could revolutionize the electric vehicle industry. This new battery promises to deliver higher energy density, faster charging times, and a longer lifespan. Tesla's engineers have been working tirelessly to push the boundaries of battery technology, and this latest development could be a game changer for both the company and the industry as a whole. Switching gears to artificial intelligence, OpenAI has released a new version of its language model, GPT-4.5. This iteration boasts improved natural language understanding and generation capabilities, making it even more adept at handling complex queries and providing accurate responses. The AI community is buzzing with excitement as this new model opens up possibilities for more advanced applications in various fields, from customer service to content creation. Meanwhile, in the realm of cybersecurity, a recent report highlights a surge in AI-driven cyber attacks. Hackers are increasingly using AI to automate and enhance their attacks, making them more sophisticated and harder to detect. This trend underscores the urgent need for robust cybersecurity measures and the development of AI tools to counter these threats effectively. Finally, let's talk about a fascinating development in the world of robotics. Researchers have created a new type of soft robot that mimics the movement of natural organisms. These robots are designed to navigate challenging terrains and could have applications in search and rescue missions, environmental monitoring, and even space exploration. The potential for these soft robots is vast, and they represent a significant step forward in robotics technology. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as fascinating as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the articles we discussed. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the cutting edge of technology and innovation. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the future.